Hello guys, yes, this is Mary Voice, and today I'm going to show you part 1 of the beginner's method. So the first method is the white cross. Basically means that you have to make a white cross or a plus symbol and make the white cross the same color on each side. So let's begin. So you see that this hold on. Okay, this color right here is orange and white, so it has to go right here. So what you're gonna do is just put it in and then rotate it till it reaches the same color. So you got the first slot done. You need to do the 3 more. Once you find another, you gotta know which color is easier. But if you don't know, just find one. So we found the green color. You need to put it right here. So what you're gonna do is rotate it up so that it can rotate the U face. Rotate it till it reaches its color, then rotate it down. So you got the second slot done. And then here's the red color. So you see, you just rotate it so that the third slot is done. Now the fifth color is blue. You need to place it here. While it may seem hard, it's actually really easy. Just rotate the white cross, then put it in, rotate it back. So now you got the first step done of the beginner's method. So now we got special cases. If your cube ever gets in a position like this, where it is flipped, you just rotate it once, rotate it back up now, and insert it to the color, place it back down, and then insert. Another special case when you accidentally place your colors wrong, like these are the right colors but here are flipped, like the wrong colors. So just rotate both the pieces up and then put in the same colors like that, then insert. So that's it for today. Please subscribe for more methods or more steps, and I'll see you guys on the next video.